Riel.
Hi.
So we learned about the Vikings and ancient Rome. Locate where they are in the map.
That's the map. So Rome is somewhere here in Italy. It looks like a boot. Where's Carthage? I think Carthage back then was in Tunisia. Carthage somewhere here.
Okay.
So where's the Vikings? Oh wait, yeah, here. What does this say? Galaat Lidnaat. What the?
Where's Greenland?
This is Greenland. This is Iceland. Like Leif Erikson's dad. What's his name again? Red? Eric the Red. He discovered Greenland. Oh, but despite its name, it's colder than Iceland.
Okay. So let's talk about the Philippines. You can sit down now.
Here.
We went to a new province this year.
We did. We went to the Bicol region, I think.
Yes, the Bicol region.
And we
Remember
went to
the-
Naga because Dad had to work there.
What do you remember about Naga City?
Naga City. Let's see. We could have went to the volcano.
My volcano, but we weren't able to, yeah.
Wow. I wanted to see the volcano. Okay, Naga. Dad wanted just to try a restaurant, but Jenna was saying like really cranky about it.
Okay, tell me about
I don't-
That's the place.
The place.
Do you remember?
It's in the Bicol region. Where's the Filipino Atlas?
Okay. So Bicol region, where is Bicol region in the Philippines? Describe in terms of direction. North, east, west, south.
Like east kind
Is it in Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao?
I think it's still Luzon.
Still Luzon.
Can I have the Atlas?
Wait, later pa. Okay. Do you remember the other provinces in Bicol region or region 5?
No, I don't remember.
Do you remember which province Naga belongs to?
Bicol.
That's the region, you call that the region, but the name of the province is in
I don't remember. Camarines Sur.
Okay.
So there's Camarines Norte.
Yes. Okay. So those are 2 other regions. Do you remember the other provinces? There's
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. The eastmost starts with the letter C.
Isn't that also Camarines?
Catan,
Bale.
Catanduanes. Yeah.
I said Bale.
And then
Catanduanes.
south of Camarines Sur is
There's even more south.
where Mayon volcano is. It's starts with letter A.
Albay.
Then our other option was we were supposed to go to either the Mayon volcano or a beach in
I wanted to go to beach.
Sorsogon or a beach in I think
Catanduanes.
And then the other province is Masbate. Where's Masbate? Do you remember where it's located relative to Camarines Sur?
Is it to the right?
North, south, east,
West?
west.
You literally have to fly there on an airplane.
No, you can use the airplane, but what did we do? How did we travel to Naga?
Wait, Naga's in Masbate?
Camarines Sur nga.
We drove
From Manila to
here to
remember how, so what direction did we drive from Manila to Camarines Sur?
to east,
Southeast.
southeast.
Around
So
8.5 to 10 hours.
Well, mostly it was 12, Mom.
No, we left early or in the evening, that's why it's faster. Okay, and then we spent 1 month in
South Cotabato. 1 month and 5 days, 31 and 5, I think.
okay, South Cotabato. What group of islands does South Cotabato belong to?
Group, Region 12. It's
In Mindanao.
yeah, Mindanao.
And it's in Region
12, Soxargen.
Soxargen. And then we went to Magwali
It's Magwali.
Beach in Sarangani. Where's Sarangani?
Right here.
So we drove from Jensan to Sarangani. Which direction?
South.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.